Hi guys, in this quick video I will tell you how to change country on Amazon. So first of all, open up your web browser, then go on to amazon.com. Once you're over here, you can see everything is in English right now and the prices are probably in US dollars, as you can see. Now to change this, you will head over to this button, just hover your mouse over it. Now if you select anything from here, it will only just change the language, it will not change the country or your location. And if you just change the currency, you'll still be on the same website, just a different currency. So if you want to change the region, you have to click on this option, change country/region. Now over here, click on it, it will open up a drop down menu. Now just select the country you want to select. For me, let's say I want to select India, and then just I'll have to click on go to website. Now I'll be on the Indian Amazon, and this is how you change your country or region on Amazon. These are the list of the countries that are supported. You cannot change to a different country which is not on the list. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel.